Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to the island of Jamaica. The noose is tightening around the necks of the unvaxxed as the government moves to implement new policies that provide preferential treatment to the vaccinated. Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement to Nationwide today that the rollout of preferential treatment to the vaccinated is part of the government's move to implement a vaccine option for the country. He highlighted the recent incentive to vaccinated spectators for the upcoming football match between the Reggae Boys and the USA as one of the measures being implemented. He expressed a shared belief with the Prime Minister, the Honourable Andrew Holness, that persons who are vaccinated have taken the necessary steps to protect themselves and others and should enjoy greater freedoms. The minister also advised that they are waiting on judicial outcomes for matters brought to the Supreme Court concerning corporate sector vaccination policies. The personal protective measures of the unvaccinated is becoming taboo as there is little to no recognition of the active pursuit to protect oneself and others from contracting the virus. The only action lauded for public safety is becoming vaccinated. Recently, it was about wearing the mask. But now, the jab has taken center stage. Amidst the heated debates between the vaxxed and unvaxxed, one message is clear: move with the times or get left behind. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.